Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray came down heavily on former ally and foe Bharatiya Janata Party. In an interview to Shiv Sena's editorial mouthpiece Samna, Uddhav spoke at length over issues ranging from his family being targeted to the row over love jihad laws. On BJP constantly attacking his son Aditya Thackeray, Uddhav said that attacking families is not in Shiv Sena's culture. He also warned the BJP that they have families too, and if the Shiv Sena decides, they can also cook their khichdi, to quote Uddhav. Uddhav also asked the BJP to remember that he may be silent, but that he is not impotent. Uddhav warned that the BJP should stop making such attacks because if they continue to do so, he will come after them. In also a veiled reference to Prime Minister Modi, Uddhav said that when BJP leaders had cases against them, it was Sena Supremo Bal Thackeray who saved them. In the interview, the Maharashtra Chief Minister claimed that BJP only brings issues such as love jihad in states where polls are round the corner.
म्हणून मी म्हटलं ना की मी मागे अनेकदा म्हटलेलं की मी शांत आहे, संयमी आहे, पण याचा अर्थ मी काही नामर्द नाही. आणि या पद्धतीने म्हणजे खरं कुटुंबियांवरती ही पद्धत नाही, महाराष्ट्राची तरी नाहीये, नक्कीच नाहीये. एक संस्कृती आहे, हिंदुत्ववादी म्हटल्यानंतर ही संस्कृती आहे. आणि तुम्ही कुटुंबियांवरती येणार असाल, मुलाबाळांवरती येणार असाल, तर आमच्या अंगावर येणाऱ्यांना ज्यांना कुटुंब आणि मुलंबाळं आहेत त्यांना मी सांगू इच्छितो की तुम्हाला कुटुंब आणि मुलंबाळं आहेत. तुम्ही धुतले तांदूळ नाहीत. तुमची खिचडी कशी शिजवायची ते आम्ही शिजवू शकतो. केवळ सत्तेचा दुरुपयोग करून अंगावर येणार असाल तर सत्ता सर्व काळ कोणाकडे राहत नाही. मागे त्यांच्याबद्दल कसं सगळं चाललं होतं आणि त्याही केसेस कशा होत्या, काय होत्या, आणि तेव्हा शिवसेना प्रमुखांनी कसं त्यांना वाचवलं होतं. हात धुतो आहे, जास्त अंगावर आलं तर हात धुवून मागे लागेल.
व्हेरी गुड.
हात धुतलेले आहेत. प्रत्येक गोष्टीबद्दल तुम्ही सांगा, आम्ही येस सर करून कायदा करतो. पण तो करताना मी अनेकदा बोललेलो आहे, आजही परत सांगतो की तुम्ही गोवंश हत्याबंदीचा कायदा काश्मीर ते कन्याकुमारी, आता काश्मीरचं सगळं बंधन उठवलेत ना तुम्ही, गोव्यात करा, तुमचं सरकार आहे. गोवंश हत्याबंदी इतरत्र करा, तुमच्या ईशान्येवरतली राज्य आहेत तिथे करा. गोवंश हत्याबंदी का नाही करत? गोवंश हत्याबंदी तिकडे करा, इथे जिथे जिथे आजही चालू आहे सगळ्या गोष्टी. तुम्ही केरळमध्ये किंवा इतर जिथे मला कल्पना आहे जिथे जिथे अजूनही ह्या गोष्टी चालू असतील तिकडे हा मुद्दा निवडणुकीचा करायचा आणि निवडणूक लढायची. आणि मग लोकांनी मतं दिली तर कायदा करायचा. पण सोयीचं घ्यायचं, हे सोयीचं हिंदुत्व आम्ही नाही केलं. जे शिवसेना प्रमुखांनी सांगितलं की जनतेच्या हिताचं असेल ते कर. मग ते आपल्याला गैरसोयीचं असलं तरी नाही, जनतेच्या हिताचं आहे. राजकारणासाठी तुम्ही हिंदुत्व नका घेऊ.
Saurabh Aktania is joining us live from Mumbai with more details on this. Saurabh, this perhaps is the most aggressive and fiercest attack from Uddhav Thackeray against the BJP. You know, the BJP and the Shiv Sena, their ideologicals are very similar on several issues. But it looks like while Uddhav Thackeray hasn't really gone into details about whether he backs the love jihad law, for example, or not, he's questioned the motive of the BJP.
Well, absolutely, Akshita. On the love jihad issue, if we say, he said that if you want, I can put in law for love jihad in the state of Maharashtra. But we should also put love jihad in retrospect of political things like BJP was in alliance with Mehbooba Mufti, then with Nitish Kumar, then with Chandrababu Naidu. So there is a love jihad which is going on in politics as well. Now, this particular interview, Akshita, comes in a time when BJP is attacking more and more the state government of Maharashtra, especially the Shiv Sena. Uddhav Thackeray was not so much vocal since the coronavirus time had started since March and April, but he was actually vocal during the Dussehra rally, and now in today's interview he clearly said that a very dirty and a revenge politics has been played by BJP leaders. He says that they never used to bring in family in politics or during the war, but right now their children, their family members are being attacked. He directly hinted at how Pratap Sarnaik, the MLA of Shiv Sena from Thane, his two sons have been questioned by the ED, and also how his son Aditya Thackeray name came during the Sushant Singh Rajput matter. And also the Sushant Singh Rajput matter, he said that how a person died and his name was used for politics. So he has hit out hard on the BJP leaders, and he has been very vocal in this whole interview. Remember, it's an 1.5 hour interview. Now it's time for the BJP leaders leaders to react on it. We are still awaiting how the BJP leaders react to this whole interview. But yes, he has hit out all on BJP during his interview with Samna.
Right. All right. Saurabh, thank you for getting us all those latest updates from Mumbai.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.